Hi, Dave Stoffo here from MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Hope you're doing great. Wanted to show you a boat today, a real nice white metallic with steel gray accents, colored Crest II 220. This particular boat is powered by a Mercury 150L 4-stroke outboard engine. Very powerful, super quiet, and very fuel efficient engine. This particular one is trimmed out with the rustic weathered gray polyvinyl flooring, which is very, very resilient. It's easy to keep clean. Doesn't get too hot underfoot, so I really like that. This boat has the gray trim on the interior with a real light gray. It's not white, it's actually gray. You got your all fiberglass helm, which is nice. You do have a 2-inch depth finder right on here. Your tilt wheel is very good. I like these Fusion stereos a lot. They are black, or Bluetooth, I should say, integrated. So that's really cool. You can listen to your own music with that. Maybe the coolest feature ever built to man might be this Captain's Cooled cup holder, which will keep a Country Time lemonade nice and cool for you. So I like that a lot. This is a real nice seating plan because it allows the captain to be with his party. A lot of times people will install the table right here, and then that brings everything together with captain and co-captain first mate here in the party, if you will. Super nice large bimini top. You got your powder coated rails. The Crest II 220, this one has the CPT option, which has the aluminum underskinning, the 48-gallon fuel tank that's right in the dead center of the boat. You've got the full aluminum underskinning I mentioned. The lifting strakes is nice. The C-Star hydraulic steering makes it really turn nice. So please come see us at MarineMax here in Beaufort, Georgia. Give us a chance to take you in the water in the boat. I think if you ride in it, you'll probably end up owning it. We look forward to serving you and getting you in the water in a nice boat and servicing the boat for you for many years to come. So I'm Dave Stoffo. Thanks for listening. You can call us at 770-614-6968 with any questions you may have, and we look forward to serving you. Thanks. Have a nice day.